my name is Mahir. Today I'm going to unbox this. It's a combo set of Ludo and chess. If you don't know what Ludo is, it's a game. You can play it online. You can download it, and also you can play it in real life. It gave me a freaking fidget spinner. I don't got a lot of fidget spinner. I got like one, and that's I bought that 2 or 3 years ago, I think. So no more talk. Let's unbox it. I'll put the fidget spinner aside in it. And okay, now this is chess stuff like horses and stuff, and this is the same but in black, just a little bit brown. But when we play, and reality I saw this plastic, but no, this is made of wood, and this is Ludo stuff. Almost okay. Here is the board. This is Ludo, and back is chess. So here it is. Not much, I suppose, and it also comes with a fidget spinner. I told you earlier. Let's do a challenge. How much time can these things last? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 seconds. Okay, if you go now, I'm going to challenge that for you. If you have a fidget spinner, get it right now and spin it. Let's see how much seconds your fidget spinner lasts and mine. Okay, now 1, 2, and you can put it in the comments if you if you counted how many seconds you spent it, how many seconds it spent. You can put that in the comments, like 30 seconds, right? Hashtag your time. Write hashtag in the comments and write your time, like how much seconds it is, like 30 seconds or 40. Mine first. Okay, now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44. It's 44. Okay, hey guys, make sure to give a like to this video and subscribe, and also comment how much seconds does your fidget spinner last. Peace.